is coming up, so everyone is going to focus on that. But yung long-term program that we keep talking about, I think we got one step down na we were able to maintain the pool for 2 years. Hopefully, the next few years, ganun din yung mangyari. But the other steps naman na kailangan ko pa rin dun sa long-term program na yun is yung proper preparation coming into tournaments like this. Like the SEA Games, you already know it comes every 2 years. Other Olympic year calendar tournaments, we know when it's gonna happen. So, hopefully nga, if we do want na makuha natin yung medal na to, na matagal na namin inaantay, matagal na natin lahat inaantay, we do have to prepare for things like this. And at the same time, kita naman natin lahat kahit sinong player na kulang para mag-represent ng bansa, gusto namin ibigay lahat. So why not bigyan natin yung support and yung tamang preparation para mabigay din natin sa players yung kailangan nila para maibigay yung medalya sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Diba? Marami pa tayong pwedeng pagdaanan. Hindi lang dito titigil. Yung sinabi namin sa girls sa after matalo, parang heads up. Yung hinihilang naman today talaga is bukas lahat sa court. Kahit anong mangyari kasi dun mo lang malalaman kung nasaan ka na bilang isang atleta, dun ka matututo. Like, this is already my 4th SEA Games and every SEA Games, like, I learned something new. Kahit gaano kasakit, I always learn something new. Yun yung sinabi namin sa mga bata, this is your first SEA Games. Marami ka pang pagdadaanan. Use this as yung motivation mo to get better. There's always something to improve moving forward. But how can we get that improvement if we don't support it with the proper preparation and program? So, eto po, like, this is not just me speaking for me, this is me speaking for their batch, for the younger batch, for the next generation sa gustong pumasok sa ALAS. Men's, women's, and beach. Everyone, like, honestly, we've been talking about the same message ever since ALAS started last year. Actually, even ever since I came into the national team, different players have been talking about the same thing. I think it's about time na we heard them out. Diba? So, hopefully, hindi naman kami titigil dito dahil lang natalo kami. Parang we will keep moving forward. Even if we're back in our own teams, university or club, we will train for a higher purpose. Lahat ng matutunan namin dito, ibabalik namin sa club namin. Kasi ganun tayo angat bilang Pilipinas Philippine volleyball. That's what the other countries are doing. Before Vietnam, natatalo natin. Before Indonesia, every now and then natatalo natin. But ngayon kasi, malakas sila kasi they never stop. They got the support that they needed. We can do that too. Okay, so yun lang po yung gusto namin sa I think, ito na yung pinagdadasal namin Like, we've always been talking about getting a long-term program. We've always talked about maintaining the pool and adding to the pool. This is not yet it. This is only our 2nd year together. Kung makikita natin yung results of having a long-term program, matagal pa yung pagdadaanan namin. Yung kailangan lang mangyari is magtuloy-tuloy talaga. And we could see naman the past 2 years, although we did get 6 medals, a lot of those tournaments nangyari ng very little preparation talaga kami. So kasi, ganito kami ngayon kasi binuhos talaga namin lahat ng may bubuhos namin. Parang kung magkulang man, as in sabi namin today, manalo man matalo, basta lahat maiwan namin sa court. Doon namin malalaman kung nasaan level na kami as a team, na hindi kami nanguhula sa kung ano yung direction na pinupuntahan namin, na alam namin steps to papunta doon. So, sobrang proud ko kasi cohesiveness, skill-wise, and yung pag-step namin sa sistema, yun yung pinaka-improve namin going into the SEA Games despite having very little to no preparation talaga.